This is the video review for energon air raid. Looks kind of like a fighter jet, you know. Same thing as before. Same thing as slingshot. It's the exact same mold. I promised a week of reviews for this combiner, like it will with whatever combiners I get, which might get like 2 more pretty quick. So I'm still going to plan on getting the Energon Briticus Maximus and Constructicon Maximus, but I'm looking into getting the Seacons and the Legends class Devastator. I've been for the weapon mode, I've been attaching the guns up here, but they're supposed. I've seen most pictures with them down here, so I guess they're supposed to be down here. It looks kind of stupid though, so they have points aside. I'll go ahead and transform them, and I'll show off the new arm mode that I think might work a little better. So you flip that up, spin those around. There's one leg, and how would I? So go to the other leg, pull it down, flip it, and twist it so that it's facing. Actually, twist at the. First of all, pull the guns off. What was I thinking? I'll flip them around so that they're like that, and flip down the foot. Then for the rest of the transformation, you pull out the arms, flip up the last landing gear, flip the cockpit down, and twist the head around. And I kind of mistransformed him. The arms, or the legs were backwards. So, yeah. I don't know what his issue is with standing right now. He actually stands really well. There we go. And this one has tighter joints. This one could probably get away with some awesome stuff, like bazooka type posing. Didn't go as far as clipping the second one on, and he has like a double barrel shotgun or something. So here he is. Again, I don't know why he doesn't want to stand, but there you go. So to get him into his new arm mode, just kind of leave the arms like that, and kind of leave the flip the cockpit back up so it looks more like the plane. I don't know why my voice sounds a little hoarse in this video, because right now it sounds a little hoarse, but it's nothing, I swear. So what you want to do is, for whatever arm you're going to turn it into, you clip the other side . Let me see if I can't show this off real well. You want to clip the side that's not going to be the arm into the area. And then what you're left with is an area like this. So you flip the arms in and flip them up so that they're like that. And if you remember from my slingshot video, if you've been following my videos, it kind of twisted sideways. and I fold the guns to where it looks more like this. And I don't know about you, but to me that looks more armish, you know, or handish. You still get the gun effect to where you have all four of the guns like this. It looks a lot better. I like it. But the one way that I had it before was not too much different. I just had the one side flipped into where it looked like the plane, you know, where it had the wing. And either way works, and I like both ways, you know, for the video. Or I like both the formations I've made. It's just with this one it looks, with the last one it looks more bulky. With this one you have this huge thing sticking up on the cockpit, is sticking up at the shoulder, but either way is perfectly fine. And I like both of them, so, you know, actually he'd be facing more like that. So, if you were to, and I actually will also fold the arms so it's more like this. Reason why it kind of keeps things packed, like, you know, compact a little. I kind of like it, so. If I was to turn this into like a new type of foot, I think it'd be more of a formation like this, because first of all, I have like one major complaint with this figure, and it's not the figure itself, it's more of the effect of the accessories that come with it. Because of the accessories, yeah, I think I do it more like that. Oh, hold on, folks. I'm trying to find a way that wouldn't, I'm sorry I've been real silent, but, I'm trying to find a way that works a little bit better than the one that shows it in the packaging, and the reason why I've been doing so is because I don't like it, and, it doesn't really matter because I use this guy for, the arm, so I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what possessed me to try to pull that. I was just thinking maybe I could have made it a little bit better for you, so, sorry for that whole kind of sitting there period, but I was trying to make something to make it look a little bit nicer, but, all the part that was basically, I'll just leave it in the description, I'm sorry, but you'll see in the description about right here, at the beginning of the video that at a certain point when it becomes blank, it's technically the end of the review. I was just kind of messing with that figure, seeing if I could make it a little bit better. So I'll also leave an annotation about right here to show to go about here with the apology of, I really apologize. That wasn't really professional of me, and I'm sorry. I'm still kind of new at this. It's really hard when you kind of have the pressure of you have a really awesome reviewers that are watching you, so that kind of scares me sometimes. Yeah, me of all people. But tomorrow's review will be Skydive, and then finally we will go to the effective, the combination. So cool. Yeah. So end of the review. Bye.